Today I'm going to show you exactly how to insert and modify images inside a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to add your logo to a report, drop in a photo to a worksheet, or just want to customize a PDF with your own visuals, this tutorial will walk you through every step so you feel confident handling images in your PDFs. By the end, you'll know not only how to place an image, but also how to tweak its position and size to make your documents truly shine. Let's get started right away. First things first, open up your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you're opening it in Acrobat, not just Adobe Reader, since editing features like inserting images require the full program. You can do this by right-clicking your PDF and choosing Open with Adobe Acrobat if it doesn't launch by default. Once your document is open, the workspace might look a bit daunting, but don't worry, we're focusing on just a few simple tools today. Next, look at the top of the screen and find the Tools tab. Go ahead and click on it. This tab houses pretty much all the powerful processing features Acrobat offers, and it's where you'll find the editing controls we need. From here, locate the Edit PDF tool and select it. When you click Edit PDF, you'll notice Acrobat transforms your page layout just slightly, and a new editing toolbar will pop up, usually running horizontally near the top or the side of your window. Now in that editing toolbar, search for the Add Image option. The icon usually looks like a picture of some mountains with a plus sign, a nice visual cue so you can spot it fast. Click that Add Image button and you'll instantly trigger a File Explorer window to appear. This is your gateway to pulling in almost any image you like. Navigate to the folder where your image is saved. The magic of Acrobat is that it supports lots of common file types, including JPEGs, PNGs, BMPs, GIFs, and TIFFs, so there's a good chance your file format will work just fine. Once you've found your image, select it and hit Open. Now here's where things get a little interactive. Your cursor will change, you'll either see crosshairs or a faint preview of your chosen image. This is Acrobat's way of letting you know you're in image placement mode. You have a couple of options at this point. You can either simply click on the spot in your PDF where you'd like the image to land, and it'll be placed with its original size and resolution. Or for a bit more control, you can click and drag your mouse to draw a box. This lets you define exactly how big and where you want your image to appear on the page. Take your time here. If you're adding a logo, maybe try dragging out a small spot in the header or corner. For a larger photo, draw the box nice and wide across your content area. And that's really all there is to it for inserting your image. If it's not perfectly placed the first time, don't worry, Acrobat allows you to move, resize, or even rotate the image after it's dropped in. Just click on the image and you'll see handles appear around it. Drag these to resize or nudge the image into its best spot. Remember, it's always easier to perfect your placement once the image is on the page. So that's your basic rundown for bringing images right into your PDFs with Acrobat. I hope this guide helps you feel much more confident customizing your docs, whether it's for business, school projects, or just sprucing up your personal files. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any sticky spots, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. For more easy-to-follow guides just like this, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.